Wall Street pushes out rate cut expectations, sees risk. They don't start until March 2025. Holy moly. We are all waiting for May, June, and now they came out with this crazy news. So please go with me to spi.ke/FOMC-meetings, spelled with a S, meetings. All right, so I'll type it out in front of you. Don't worry if you kind of not listening clearly. So one more time, it's spi.ke/FOMC/meetings. All right, so let me move this to the middle. Just go with me to this place. I kind of make this as a permanent short URL you can remember and get into it really, really soon. So I'm going to float between this guy and this stupid news about March 2025. Is horrible because we are all waiting for what? We are waiting for 4 windows of opportunity right here. And now they say nope. They want to wait until March 2025. New presidents sit in, complete the State of Union address. State of Union address is January 2025. And then March, then they want to have a first rate cut. Crazy, man. So this thing, a bit messed up right now. This is the latest, all right? So because of this, and this current war that's going on, and you know, I sent out a tweet today. I think the Americans wanted this war very, very much. So my tweet, like, I saw a post and I say something is wrong right here, no? Because unless they are dealing with a bigger monster of the inflation crisis, they need an even larger monster to cover that up. Hi, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the way I go about performing analysis, connecting the dots, then I want to invite you to our upcoming Cozy Live Trading. This is a full-scale 5-hour session, and what we do is this. We always cover the past 2 weeks, what the key events have happened in the stock market, and we also cover the next 2 weeks. So together, coming to the Cozy Live Trading, you enjoy 1 month of complete knowledge whereby we connect the dots, perform the analysis, and then we fire off the trades. So join us really, really soon in the upcoming Cozy Live Trading. Go below right now, click to register, and I shall see you in the class. Thank you. Goodbye.